Hello, good afternoon. This is Evancinas, your Santa Lucia Global Marketing Incorporated Marketing Assistant. Lot fronting me is 276 square meters dito po sa South Coast, Ligan, Batangas. So, ito yon 276 square meters. So, may mountain range view kayo. Yan, and corner lot po yan. And ocean view. So, yan ay inyong view. Ikot po ako para makita nyo ang view ng paligid nyo. So, ang ganda lang po talaga ng view ng paligid nyo. May mountain range view kayo. Ayan, mountain range view doon sa likuran. And, ayan po, ocean view. So, corner lot po ito. Ayan, message lang po kayo if you are interested po dito. 276 square meters po, corner lot. Ayan. Hope to see you po. Hope to see you. God bless you and thank you po.